Okay, YouTubers, here's what I'm working on today. Hopefully you can see what we're working on. Working on a starter motor for a 50 horsepower Johnson boat motor. This one's junk. So I bought another one. Problem is, this little bugger is at the wrong direction, so it won't bolt on. So I had to take this one off, and in the doing so of that, well, I fucked up. It fell off, it dropped, and now two of the springs for the brushes are missing. So I'm searching out here for a needle in a haystack. Over here crying out, fuck my life. Fuck. Hope there's not children listening, because fucking pissed. Fuck's my favorite fucking word to say. Fuck. Say it in many ways. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuckity, fuck, 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 motherfuck. Where's them fucking springs? Well, the fucking problem comes from you got 4 fucking brushes to hold down in to push up against the fucking commentator. Oh, found one fucking spring. So now I'm down to only needing one more. Let me look in the general fucking area where I found that one. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, yes. Fucking A. I found the 4th motherfucker. So, since now that I got all the motherfucking springs back in there, I'm going to start this video all over. This time, I'm going to do it without all the fucking fuck words. Thank you for watching.